Design a rectangular sedimentation tank for primary treatment of sewage for a town having population 50,000 with the water supply rate of 180 LPCD. Okay, let's start with the design. Here the flow rate is not directly given, but the data which is required to find the flow rate is given, that is population and the water supply rate. So first we will find the flow rate Q. Flow rate Q is equal to, formula for flow rate is population into flow rate, or it is the water supply or per day requirement for one person is given into conversion factor. Okay, here we have to assume the conversion factor. This conversion factor is required for converting the water supply into sewage, and always take conversion factor as 80%. So here population is 50,000 into flow rate is 180 liter per day, then conversion factor is 80%, that means 0.80. So after solving this, you will get the value of Q as 7.2 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day, or 7.2 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. Then we have to assume the detention period. Assume detention period 2 hours, and its value as per CPHEO manual is 1.65 to 4 hours, and we have taken 2 hours. Okay, therefore detention time TD, the formula for detention time is equal to volume upon flow rate Q. Here we have the value of detention time and the Q, therefore volume can be computed TD into Q. TD is detention time is 2 hours into Q is converted into meter cube per hour divided by 24 hours. So 7.2 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per 24 hours. Okay, after solving this equation, you will get the value of volume as 1200 meter cube. Then assume the value of depth. Here we have found the value of volume, then assume depth is equal to 3 meter, and the range for the depth is 2.4 to 4.2 meter. Therefore volume is equal to area into depth, therefore area is equal to volume upon depth. The volume is 1200 meter cube and depth is 3 meter. Then we will get the value of area as 400 meter square. Okay, then we have to here we have found the value of area and we don't know the value of length and breadth, so let us assume the L by B ratio as 4 meter, and the range for the L by B ratio is 1.5 to 7.5. Therefore area is equal to length into breadth. L is equal to, from this equation we will get L is equal to 4 times breadth, so L can be written as 4b into b is equal to 4b square. Therefore area is equal to 400 meter square to 4 times b square. After solving this you will get the value of breadth as 10 meter. Therefore length is equal to, length is the 4 times breadth. L by B ratio, we have assumed L by B ratio as 4 meter, L by B ratio as 4. Don't take is 4 meter, take it L by B is equal to only 4, because L by B is a unitless quantity. Therefore L is equal to 4 into 10 is equal to 40 meter. Then this is the length of water, so provide 3 meter for inlet and outlet arrangement. Therefore total length is equal to 40 plus 3 is equal to 43 meter. Okay. And for the depth, we have to also increase the depth for providing the freeboard as well as the sludge depth. So provide freeboard of 0.5 meter and sludge depth of 1.5 meter. Therefore overall depth is equal to, here we have assumed the depth is 3 meter, so 3 plus freeboard of 0.5 plus sludge depth of 1.5, therefore the overall depth is 5 meter. So provide rectangular sedimentation tank of LBH as length is 43 meter, then breadth is 10 meter into H means depth is 5 meter. This is the design. Thank you.